Good morning and welcome to another week of school. It is Monday, March 30th. Today for reading you have Kangaroos Are Roos on willbooks.com. And your question that you are going to be asking your child when they're done is, what is their favorite character and why? And as always, I'll say that if their answers don't really have to do with the book, or it feels like maybe they're reaching at why it's their favorite character and it doesn't really have to do with anything that happened, please have them read it again or read it to them so that they're really grasping it. In language, we're starting a new sound and spelling, and it's the KN sound and spelling, which makes the N sound. In class, we do blends on a blends chart, and your child definitely knows the N sound, and you can tell them that it's kind of like knee, because in our blends chart, we always say N, knee. So you can have them do that sound and remember that it's knee and point to their knee or something like that if they're having trouble with the KN being the N sound. I also think it's helpful to maybe circle any KN sounds, just the KN, and maybe put the letter N above it to help them remember it. So they're just going to be copying down the words and sentences on the first page, sounding out what those N words are, the N, and on the back the same thing, except they're putting in the blank. For math, they are doing bar graphs again, and this time they're looking at an assorted amount of items and then deciding how many up based on how many there are. So for the bears, they'd find the bears and then go up that many. I suggest coloring the different items a different color, and it will really pop out to them. So if the bears were all brown, the balls were all pink, and like that. For writing today, you have the writing prompt, if that cat came to my house, I would. So this is really using their imagination. So they're seeing this picture of a cat, and they're asking themselves, if that cat came to my house, if it was in the front or the backyard or somehow scurried inside through the garage, what would I do? So you're really having them pull out some imagination there, and it can be as wild as they want it to be. It doesn't have to be realistic. For science, you have comparing parts of soil. So in this case, it's rocks or dirt. And you're going to have them have smooth rocks versus rough rocks and then paste them where they belong. It's obviously pretty simple. So I would definitely want you to expand this somehow. So in your house or in your backyard, based on what you're able to do at home, find rough and smooth things. It doesn't have to be rocks. So any kind of rough things and any kind of smooth things, and then have them feel it, have them explain to you why those things are different from each other and how they can tell using their five senses. Maybe their sight, maybe their touch. Okay? So that is that for today. I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.